Guys, what is going on? Coming to you from Whiteville, Virginia. Booked a local run today. 340 miles from Charlotte to Oak Hill, Ohio. $1,700. The weight on this thing is supposed to be 18.7, but I just weighed. We'll see what it weighs. Currently got about 3 hours left till delivery, and then a couple of trucks from there. Going back to Charlotte. Basically 800 miles, $2,500. So that's the update. Hauling pretty heavy today. Had to make do with what I could. Should be getting my Hellcat here on Monday, and we'll see what it puts down on a dyno. But for right now, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for viewing. As always, have a wonderful day.